Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is noodles with tomato and egg gravy. The Chinese call these noodles with toppings.
打卤面
The toppings are usually divided into clear gravy and thick gravy. Today's tomato and egg stir-fried has starch added, which is thick gravy. Different from tomato scrambled eggs, we need to add tomato sauce and starch water to this dish to turn it into a thick sauce for matching the noodles. Let's get started. Prepare 3 tomatoes, about 430 grams. Use a knife to make crosses on the surface of the tomatoes. In order to peel them, there are 2 methods. One is to blanch the tomatoes with boiling water like I did, and the skin will be easy to peel off. Or burn it with fire. If you find it troublesome, you can skip the peeling step. Just need to pick out the skin of the tomatoes when eating. Peel tomatoes and cut into pieces. Set aside 2 green onion, chopped. Next make the sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. 1/2 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 6 tablespoons of water, add them to a bowl, mix well, set aside. Prepare 2 eggs and beat them thoroughly. In order to make the scrambled eggs soft, you can add a little water to the egg liquid. Pour 3 tablespoons of oil into the pot. After the oil is hot, pour in the egg liquid. And slowly fry them with a frying spoon. It is better to fry the eggs into smaller pieces. Transfer to a plate. Then add chopped green onion and tomatoes. Use medium-low heat to fry the tomatoes until soft. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, combine well, then add the scrambled eggs, stir fry for some seconds. Add tomato sauce, bring to a boil. Turn off the heat. Tomato and egg gravy is ready. Next, to cook the noodles, boil a pot of water, add the noodles and boil until cooked through. The time depending on the thickness of the noodles. Transfer to a bowl. Top with tomato and egg gravy. How much gravy to add depends on your preference. Stir evenly with chopsticks. A bowl of delicious tomato braised noodles is done. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.